Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about a language learning app called Duolingo. Before I give you an overview of the app, I want to explain why I consider it a money-making app. While it doesn't pay you directly, it does teach you a very valuable and marketable skill for free. Once you have finished all of the Duolingo lessons, you'll have a strong foundation in your new language. There are a number of companies who hire remote workers to translate documents and audio files from one language to another. You don't need to have experience or a language degree. You only need to be able to pass their assessment test to start working. I'll put a link to these companies in the description. If you don't pass the assessment test the first time, you can try some additional learning techniques, like changing the language settings on your favorite movies or TV shows to the language you want to learn. You'll have the most options with French and Spanish. You can also do a Google search for blogs or podcasts that might be available in your chosen language. Okay, so let's get started with a Duolingo tour. The language I'm learning right now is Spanish, but if you click on the flag and then click on course, you can see a list of all the languages that they have to offer. There are even a couple of fake languages like Klingon and High Valyrian from Game of Thrones. So each language has a lot of different categories. And each category has different levels of difficulty. So I will show you the restaurant category.
Vaso de agua. Por favor. Un jugo de naranja, por favor. Un café. Sin azúcar. Una taza.
And if you get stuck, you can also click on a word and it will tell you the translation. I don't know if it does it in the more difficult levels though.
Una taza. Un vaso. Sin leche, por favor. Dinero. No. Vaso. 3. Azúcar. Sin leche, por favor. Un café, por favor.
Un café, por favor.
Un café con leche. Sin azúcar, por favor.
So as you can see, the lessons are very short. This makes it easy to fit practice into little moments like waiting in line at the grocery store or a break at work. With daily practice, I'm sure that you'll find becoming fluent isn't nearly as unattainable as you might have once thought.